In this video, we'll see for word art and the things related to word art. What are the topics we'll see here? We'll see how to work on the word art, how to create a fancy text. We can write it in the different formats. We'll see how to fill the text color, and we'll see how to work on the text outline, the border color for the text, and also we'll work on the text effects. Let's see that one by one. So I'll write a normal text and I'll try to play with this all the three things. Let's see that. So I'll just go to a blank slide and right, I'll just press escape. Now if I want to create a word art, it's very simple. You can just go to insert. I have nothing on the slide right now. Insert, and you see there's a word art option here. So I'll select this word art and which type of format you want. So you can select any format. So I'll select the format as this blue one. So it says your text here. You just type your text here, and once you click on this word art, you see there's a format, that's a drawing toolbar, and you can just customize all the options available here, right? So what I'll do is I'll type some text here. I will type here as happy birthday, and once you do that happy birthday, I'll press escape, right? I've pressed escape here, and now if this is blue color and if you see there's a white border, it's very thin, it's white border given here. If I want to change the text color, how do I change it? I'll just go to this text fill. I can choose the color from here. Let's say if I select black color, so now it is black color. If you want, again you can choose the color, let's say blue color. Now the outline which is in the white color, you can change the outline also in this. So I'll select this outline and I'll select the outline as yellow color here. So there's an outline given here. So you can work on this outline color also. And if you think the weightage of the outline is very thin, you can just increase the weight also. So you just click on this weightage and you can select the line here. So it is right now 3/4. I'll select yes. So it became thick, the outline. Similarly, if you think it's a bit boring kind of, it's a very plain text, you can make it into a fancy one. How come? You can go to this text effects, and these are the reflection. Do you want the reflection at the bottom? So if you select here reflection, you see a reflection also is been given here. Again, if you go here, these are loads of options available as per your convenience. You can use it, glow, B level, and 3D rotation like this, happy birthday kind of, and so I'll go for this 3D rotation. I'll select as normal, no rotation. But if you want, you can use this transformation. You can just try to tilt your text at any format. So if you select this one, happy birthday, and I'll just expand like this. So this is happy birthday, and there's a bottom at the bottom. If you see, that's a shadow which is given, and these are many options here. Whichever you want, you can choose it like this and this way. Happy birthday. So it looks in a bit fancy manner. Still, if you want, you can just format with the help of this format toolbar. These are all the options as per your requirement. If you want, you can change the shape style also. You can choose the color and automatically the yellow color, or you can say green color, or you can choose any color from here. It will keep on changing. And there's one more shape fill. If the colors are not given as per your choice, you can choose the color from here. Also at the background, you see these are the colors you can choose from here. Also at the background, if you want to put some image, some picture, you can put a picture also. You can go to this shape fill and you see there's a picture given here. So I'll just click on this picture and I can browse the picture from my PC or from the internet. So I'll select the picture from a file on my PC, click on a picture. I have on the desktop MS PowerPoint images. I can select any picture. Let's say I've select this picture and select the picture and click on insert. So it doesn't look in a proper manner, but you can add a picture. You can put a company logo, you can put the name of the photo, I mean the photo of a person whose birthday it is, and also you can put on the gradient field and the texture. Suppose you want to put a texture like this, you can put it. So according to your, whichever you think it's good. Similarly, there's a shape outline also. If you see that right now the outline is a bit thin, if you want to change the color of the outline, still you can go for. I'll select this format, select this outline. So you can also change the weight of this outline like this. Now the outline, if you see, it is very thick and the color is somewhat red, and I'll select here back, shape outline. So many options are given here. Similarly, you can select the shape effects format, shape effects. So same effects for the text what we have seen, same effects you can give it here, like 3D rotation, B level, soft edges, and also for the reflections. So whatever you require, word art can do wonders for you, and it can make your presentation more beautiful. So I hope you have understood how to work on word art, and that's all for this video.